representing Combat Fitness.
Now! This is the moment you've all been waiting for! This is the main event of the evening! This bout is scheduled for 3 rounds of 3 minutes each. And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Min Gurung. Coming up first, this fighter holds a professional record of 5 wins, 1 loss, stands 161 centimeters tall, weighing in at 53.5 kgs. Fighting out of Helawan, Muay Thai, Fight Gym, Mubin Rai! And his opponent holds a professional record of 10 wins, 2 losses, stands 170 centimeters tall, weighing in at 53.5 kgs. Fighting out of Combat Fitness Gym, Sanju Sumba Tama!
Both of the fighters have entered the ring. Mubin Rai standing strong in the red corner with his opponent Sonju Sumba. And our main event will be starting soon with दुवैजना एकदमै प्रिपेयर्ड देखिरहेको छु मैले जुन किसिमको वर्ड्सहरु एक्सचेन्ज भएको थियो फेस अफमा will they justify in the ring or not? Let's see guys what's gonna be the result of this fight. And within few seconds the first round will begin. And with that touch of glove, first round has begun. दुवैजना fighters first may attempt गर्न चाहदैनन्. And with that Mubin Rai is pressing forward. Sonju Sumba is ready to defend as well.
Okay, so fight has been started. Okay, good head kick by Sonju. And Mubin Rai pushing him forward. दुवैजना यतिखेर एकदमै confident को साथ अगाडि बढिरहेको छ. One last punches by Mubin Rai. Just keep going like that. Just keep going like that. Yeah. And Mubin Rai is going for punches. Mubin Rai is smashing Sonju's face right now.
Mubin is moving with those footwork there. Mubin Rai aiming for that head. He wants a knockout.
20k Mubin Rai. You told that everyone you are here for bonus. So prove that.
Of course, Nima. Guman did it. Karna also
his
did
opponent Sonju Thamang was telling that he was always on the top. He's gonna be his game, so let them prove their words. Hope those are not just words.
Oh, Sonju with that kick, but Mubin is not moving at all. He
Come on.
is ready for that action.
We need back-to-back
And
action.
elbow by
And Sonju
Sonju
Rai is
Thamang.
going elbow. Both of the fighters are looking so ferocious right now.
Of
Moving
course,
right,
Nima.
moving forward. Whoa! That was
And
a
with that,
clean overhead by
moving
moving
right
right.
is showing who's the boss here.
That was another overhead by moving right. And knee from the Sonju Tamang.
Sonju Tamang is also trying his
Elbow
best.
from Sonju Tamang. Why are they hugging each other? We just need a brutal one. We just need a brutal fight. रहेछ गरी हाम्रो फर्स्ट राउन्ड सिद्धिएको छ.
Both of the fighters did really well. Nima, कसले चाहिँ dominate गरेर जस्तो लाग्छ यो fight?
Right now, भर्खरै हाम्रो मुभिङ रायले जुन ओभरहेड हानेर सन्जुलाई ग्राउन्डमा डालेको छ. I think this round is going for moving Rai, and let's see what happened in another round.
Yeah, let's see. अब next round मा चाहिँ दुवैजनाले एकअर्काको I think अब
We are so excited to watch our moving Rai. Brutal movements. Are you also?
of course I am. के हुनेवाला छ त next round मा we will be witnessing that within few seconds. I think both of the fighters are now ready.
After this match, we will find out who was doing big talk on TikTok. Let's go. Both of them.
Ooh,
Nice
Sonju
guard
with
by
that combo
moving
there.
right and overhead by moving right. Why is he catching and Sonju's going for knees? Both of them doing cleanses right now. We don't want to see cleanses. We want to clean punches, kicks, elbows, knees on their body faces. We don't want to see those cleanses right now.
Of course. के हुनेवाला छ त अब since both of them are aiming for that head दुवैजनालाई चाहिँ यो round knock गरेरै
If that moving overhead get connected, I think Sonju will get down. So put your guard up, Sonju. Oh, clean cross connected by moving right once again. He is smashing him back to back. I think Movin was saying, right thing, he is a fighter, brutal one. He just like to fight, he don't care, he win or lose. He like to beat his opponent. I think Sonju is going for elbow. And he's trying to sweep him down, but sweep doesn't give him points, so he have to knock him down.
Yes, Nima, they will both look forward to grab those 20,000 in their
Good
pocket.
kick in knee by Sonju. Good head kick landed by Sonju. And Moving Rai is going for the elbow right now. Same as Sonju. Come on, we need extreme. Let's go. Both of the fighters are getting a little bit pressured by each other right now. Yeah, they should keep their guard up and throw those. Nice spinning by Sonju, but that doesn't work on the beast like Moving Rai. Because he is a brutal fighter, he already told that.
And with that, second round comes to an end. दुवैजनाको साइडबाट एकदमै राम्रो टेक्निकलिटिज देख्न पाइयो कनेक्सन्स पनि देख्न पाइरहेको थियौँ
But यो फाइटमा क्लिन्चेस बढी भइरहेको छ so they shoot little bit push each other like with punches, with kicks, with the elbows, with the knees. Not a clinches. We don't want to see that. No one want to see those clinches right now. We just want to see punches in their face and elbows in their head, kick in their ribs, and knees in their stomach, man.
Exactly, Nima. दुवैजना fighters, I hope they're also trying to take each other down as soon as possible. दुवैजना आफ्नो आफ्नो cornerमा, they are ready for the next round, and our round 3 will begin with this.
र यसै गरी थर्ड राउन्डको सुरुवात हुन गइरहेको छ ओके सो यसरी नै हाम्रो थर्ड राउन्ड सुरु भइसकेको छ लेट्स सी
Both of the
moving
fighters.
moving forward and pressuring Sanju with his brutal punches.
Yes, both of them are trying to take each other down. दुवैजनाले कुनै पनि मिस्टेक्स गर्न मन छैन because it's the deciding round here.
If they made any mistakes and this game is going to be over for them. Back to back knees landed गरिरहेको छ एक अर्काले
Both of the fighters are looking very confident and pretty strong here.
Sanju throwing elbows and moving right, throwing knees.
Now we have come.
Nice Superman punch by moving right, but it just get missed. Sanju wanna throw an elbow, but moving right ले chance दिइरहेको छैन.
And with that, 1 minute and 25 seconds countdown begins. In that
When
time,
Sanju is throwing knees, Mubin is going for elbow, and when Mubin is going for knees, Sanju is going for elbow. I think both of them got good combination right now.
yes, Nima, both of the fighters को एकदम टक्कर
Nice
भइरहेको
looking
छ.
by Sanju. यसरी नै एकअर्कालाई प्रेसर दिएर move forward and punch those faces, man. Nice overhead by moving right. Sanju is trying to sweep him, but he even can't move him right now. Nice looking by Sanju. And Sanju going for elbow. Once again.
Both of them look really tired. तर त्यो
I think
hunger,
they all waste
there.
their energy.
only 10 seconds on the clock.
Nice knee by Sanju. Once again, nice knee by moving right.
And with that, this
र
round has
यसरी नै हाम्रो
ended.
थर्ड राउन्ड पनि इन्ड भइसकेको छ यो मेन इभेन्टको मुभिङ राई भर्सेस सन्जु तामाङको
After 3 rounds of action, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges scored this contest, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from the blue corner.
congratulations to the blue corner. Now to distribute the medal and certificate, I would like to call upon the ring our chief guest, Mr. Mitaram Adhikari. Also, I would like to invite President of WBC Muay Thai Nepal, Mr. Raju Rai. I would like to call upon the ring the advisor of WBC Muay Thai Nepal, Mr. Navaraj Bhandari. Navaraj Bhandari ji bring my Nidima Hardik Abdul Hardik.
Okay, and with that, we are in the end of our event. Thank you guys for joining. Shout out to our production team as well. Thank you. Action Sports SD for covering this event. And thank you WBC Muay Thai for organizing this event as well. I'd like to thank all the sponsors as well. And with that, I hope you guys will give love to our next event, ESF Fight 8 as well. And
Thank you so much.
good night.